Okay, this is Robert, and yeah, I think this is looking good. You've got a lot of all the details on here. I would go ahead and bevel this keyframe for some reason, which is strange. You can get rid of those keyframes. You might just hit the S key by mistake. Edit, delete by type channels will get rid of those. Um, you could bevel this one. You want to select just the right one, so you can just. I have the object selected. I convert that to edges by going to select convert selection edges or control F10, and then I can deselect the ones I don't need. So I'll hold down the control key, click and drag a marquee select, and deselect those, and from the top, um, these and these, and then these, but then the rest look good because I don't need those middle ones in there. So Control B, decrease the fraction and increase the segments. And this went a little funny. See, yeah, in this one you picked a lot of edges that didn't need to be beveled, like these. So I'm going to do Control A for attribute editor. Let's try deleting this bevel. Select, click here, delete. What's this bevel? Select, delete. I don't know what that other one was. And then again, I can do Control F10 to select the edges. Front view, F frame selected, hold down Control, click and drag our marquee select while holding Control down to deselect all of those because I don't need those. And from the top, 4 for wireframe, I can deselect these. And that should be it. And Control B for bevel. Whoa, okay, something went wrong there. Okay, so you have some weird hidden surface on here, which happens sometimes if you extrude and don't move it after you extrude. Move the extrude scale or move it after you extrude. So if I do mesh cleanup, might fix that. Where did it go? Why is it? Normally that opens a window. It's being funny. Oh, options, maybe. Yeah, check all these and then clean up. Okay. So let's see now. Okay, now it's acting normally. So I'm not seeing those extra edges in there anymore. So let's try that again. Yeah, it's going to be faster to do Control F10 and do that again. So one more time, hold down Control, marquee select, and again here. And from the top, 4 for wireframe, deselect these inside ones, and I should be left with just the edges I want to bevel. And then Control B, there we go, that's what we were looking for. So now that's looking better, and you don't have all those extra edges in there. Let's bevel again. This maybe scale that out a little bit. This looks a little narrow to me, this head. I might grab these vertices and move those back some, and then probably recenter these ears. Maybe that body could be a little fatter. Maybe that's alright. And then I just feel like this is maybe a little, I think all of these would be equal sized, and I think the arms were a little shorter, maybe not quite so bent, but that's not a big deal. Oh yeah, you've got a little gap here, so make sure we move that in so those are intersecting. So yeah, just a few little fixes, but mostly this is looking good.